Perfectionism is a responsibility. Taking on the mission of revitalizing China's high-end equipment manufacturing industry. Has always focused on core technologies in the area of industrial process control instruments. Has grown from a pure instrument manufacturer into a corporation with ability to undertake complete automatic system engineering, persistently forging ahead with determination and seeking technological innovation. We have continuously provided customers with more precise and professional integrated solutions in the area of industrial instrumentation. By relying on our high-level technological talents and an excellent management team, as well as highly sophisticated manufacturing and experimental equipment. Quality originates from our commitment to seeking for perfect technology. Has constantly conducted independent research, development, and innovation, and established partnerships with many scientific research institutions, including US-based Spring, Beijing Iron and Steel Research Institute, Shandong Institute of Space Electronic Technology, Shandong Metallurgical Design Institute, etc., in a bid to build an independent world-class research and development platform. Additionally, has successively introduced some high-precision advanced production equipment, including Mensur, pressure calibration and control system from the US, Bruker spectrometer from Germany, Panasonic welding system from Japan, etc. The increasingly powerful soft and hard technology has enabled us to continuously upgrade our overall technological level and manufacturing capability, thus ensuring our technological level takes the lead in the industry. We mainly produce metal capacitive sensor, differential pressure transmitter, diaphragm type transmitter, online density meter, austenitic T-type annubar flow meter, vortex flow meter, electromagnetic flow meter, turbine flow meter, magnetic float level gauge, various level switches, etc. which have been widely used in electric power, petrochemical, boiler, metallurgical, pharmaceutical, food, brewing, textile, building materials industry, etc. We are capable of offering customers customized integrated products and component solutions based on their different requirements. As the most competitive instrument manufacturer in Shandong, is strenuously cultivating its core competencies in precision manufacturing, diversified production, complete engineering, etc. With 4 major modern standardized manufacturing bases, we have first-class dust-free workshops and well-established automatic production lines, which ensure higher precision and efficiency of the manufacturing process. Relying on technological and resource advantages of our branches, we have fully leveraged service advantages acquired from our group to offer dealerships one-stop purchase services, thus minimizing production costs while bringing convenience to people's lives. Faith will move mountains. Will always consider product quality as its lifeline and constantly improve its corporate quality management, following the principle of making our product quality exceed national standards. We have been exercising strict control over every step in the manufacturing process and ensuring high manufacturing precision. Up to now, we have passed such international quality system certifications as ISO 9001 Quality Management System Certification, EUCE Certification, Explosion Proof Certification, etc. Auto can provide customers with a wide range of reliable products to ensure safety in every step of the manufacturing process. Products are changing, but the constant is our attitude towards precision. The market is changing, but the constant is our service concept. Times are changing, but the constant is our belief in undertakings. With global vision, Auto is seeking sustained development with a view to successfully forging a century-old brand. With great ambition, Auto will continuously enhance its overall scientific management level through intensive exploration and hard work, and pursue sustained innovation in technology, production, service, etc. We will keep cooperating with customers in an effort to jointly create a new future of China's equipment manufacturing industry.